How are you all? Welcome back to Coins Alert, where you can get your crypto fix. I'm a Van Winkle, your house rep. I hope everyone is having a great day. Today is Monday, the start of a new week and the middle of the year. It's also the beautiful month of June. June is a nice month. Why does that happen? Breakout of XRP, it's going to change, folks. That's right. Write it down, because it's coming. Hit your fridge with it. This summer, XRP finally starts to go up again. We called it the bottom when it was in. We told you the lowest price would be between 48 and 50 cents. I got the same chart we have been looking at for a few months now. Everyone listened, everyone said bad things, and everyone pointed the finger. But think about the end of the day. The only reason I'm here is to tell you the truth. If hearing that number is going to hurt, it needs to get out there because you need to know the truth. If I give you that information, is the best news for the market, and you can't wait to hear it. I'm also going to bring it to you. We are going to talk about XRP in this episode. We're talking about that change in price. We're going to talk about that picture. We are also going to look at Bitcoin because it is about to make a huge jump. We're going to hear from Michael Saylor, who some people might call the legend. I don't know what choice name you gave the man, but hey, he'll be the best person in the world by the end of this because he put all of his faith in Bitcoin. And you know what? This year, Bitcoin will be worth more than $100,000, so hold on tight. Let's do this. At the moment, Bitcoin is worth $69,000 and $96,000, and Ethereum is worth $3,808 and has gained 8% in the last 24 hours. Both USDT and USDC are now back to where they were pegged to the dollar, which is good news for XRP. Good news, the price has finally reached a mean lean 52 cents. We are up about 1%. Our XRP breakout goal is still 74 cents. Nothing will change until we can break that level and make it our new base. It's that easy. The price will stay in this 48 to 52 cent range for 8 years, or until it chooses to break out. Don't worry, though, the breakout is coming. We've been looking forward to this month. We get a breakout in the summer. That's my own song. I hope you enjoy it. Hey, go check out my store if you haven't already. Things are going fast. A lot of people love the tumblers. We used a Cricut to print them out and then just slapped them on. What do you think? They are graded today with the laser right in. It won't come off. You're not going to pick it. You're not going to do anything. That thing is A for life, people. It costs about 65 XRP. That is what you heard. 65 XRP for no reason. A hat costs about 30 XRP. Send things anywhere in the world for free. We ship for free anywhere in the world. Do you really think that? It's been the hottest on this block. The gray and white look good to me. I did choose one if I was going to. I got the dark green, though. I'm not going to lie. Where is the dark green? That's the one I got. I'll look down, so put in your order. It will be sent to you. This summer, you'll be very happy and never thirsty. Take a look at that Bitcoin. Things will stop following this trend in 48 hours. That's right. It's going to break. However, the question still stands as to which way we will break, to the upside or to the downside. Break to the upside, and I'm sure we'll go to 74,000. That's the range we have in play. Isn't it strange that Bitcoin have broken out above 74,000? 74 cents is where XRP broke out. There must be a mistake with the 74, right? Keep your eyes on Bitcoin. Until Bitcoin moves, nothing else will. The price of Bitcoin is going over 100,000 this year. In fact, I just saw a story that I didn't look up. I'll take care of it. I think I pulled it up. It wasn't pulled up, but I'll talk about it in more detail in the next film. I believe Theodore Brandt, the Bitcoin or crypto guy that everyone loves. He says a Bitcoin was going to reach the top. Yes, he is asking for $150,000 next September. That's interesting. Hey, I hear that there will be a bull run next September. I'm ready. For it to begin. Michael Saylor says that Bitcoin is like a bank in heaven that is run by God. Who is this guy that did this? Now, God comes down from heaven and tells them, okay, I've decided to fix your problem. I'm going to be in charge of a bank in heaven. I am going to make 21 million God coins, which can be split in any way you want. I'm going to do this for you for almost nothing. You can also move coins between each other telepathically to settle your bills. I will also make sure that no bank, government, competitor, country, or criminal takes your money. I promise I will never make it bigger. I'm just going to say that your money is in. The bank. Isn't it a bank in heaven? Even if someone puts a gun to your head, the angels will guard you because you have money in your head. They could kill you, but they won't get your money. If I thought about that, I would say, okay, God will run a good bank for me. Okay, good. That's probably a good idea, but since God hasn't offered to run the bank and protect your property rights forever from everyone else, the next best thing is to use cryptography to make some software. Afterward, as part of the system, the software creates 21 million coins that can be split into 100 million smaller pieces. That's why 2.1 quadrillion satoshis is enough. If you needed to, you could split it up even more. You can now use a computer to send 1,000, 100, 1 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, or $100 billion worth of money from anyone to anyone else without getting anyone's permission. You can imagine having $1 million or $1 billion in your head. You can hold it. If you know you're going to jail, you can send it to your sister in Singapore. You can put it with the bank in London if you don't trust the bank in New York. Okay, these people are unknown to me. If you don't trust a bank, you sell. Wow, what a crazy show. But I'm telling you, with all the Bitcoin he has saved up for MicroStrategy, he has seen the vision, he has seen the future. He will have a lot of money, maybe even the most money in the world. Australia came in first. On Tuesday, a Bitcoin ETF that holds real Bitcoin will go live. This is a big deal. Bitcoin ETFs are being used all over the world. What's going to happen next? If there are ETH ETFs, we'll likely get Cardano XRP as Solana. What does this do, though? People from all walks of life can now get into crypto, and big money is coming in. What does that mean? It means more money, though. There will be more money coming into crypto. The prices of cryptocurrencies will rise as more money flows into them. This means that we will make more money on our investments, as we saw years ago when we chose to get into the game. The game has been tough. It's not been simple. No. No matter how long we've been in crypto, it's likely made us all look 10 to 20 years older. We're all going to get rich, though, because we got into cryptocurrency before the big banks. We beat everyone else. We have set ourselves up very well with our favorite investments, whether they are XRP or other things, XLMH bar Bitcoin and Ethereum. There is a long list of other coins that will be useful when businesses or the public start to use them. If we chose the right coin, we will reap big rewards. That's it. It says that Australia will have the country's first Bitcoin exchange traded funds ETFs going live on Tuesday. In April, monochrome asset management asked for permission. The quick acceptance shows that the country wants to keep up with the global trend of crypto-related ETFs, which is cool to stay up to date on crypto ETF trends around the world. Do I understand that the fact that a lot more countries are going to join means something? They don't want to fall behind in the Bitcoin ETF game because they don't want people to take their money elsewhere. People who own XRP, a great light is on the way. That's it. He is setting up the plan. You can see from this that our base has been very strong and long. It's crazy that the last all-time high was over 2,500 days ago. Another thing that sits in the top pen that I don't know of that hasn't reached its highest point in a long time. There isn't one, but here is a picture. That is what we've been talking about. This is where you should buy. This is how it looks. This isn't working. We showed you this and told you about it. This was your lowest range, 43 to 47. It's your choice to call it a scam. A lot of people missed it. The basket on 47.48 cents is what most people call it. Could we go over that again? We could. It's not good if we do. What do you think? I don't think we will. I think we will stay about the same. We have a base. We're going in. We are getting close to the time when XRP does what XRP does, which is sleep. You'll wake up one day. It could happen on any Saturday. Then there was the next thing, which was just off to the races. Remember the first target we were looking at? We need to get to the 75-cent area. Everything starts to get fun and magical at 75 cents. We become bold, make 70 cents, and take 75 cents over. We set that as our new base until then. This big old box right here, it's just the buy zone box, people, right? Goodbye. That is what you need to buy. When we break out of that area, the positive gods, signals, and scars come down and make XRP finally do what it was meant to do. The all-time high is coming. When does it come out? I don't think so. I think we'll see it in 2025.